Hi, this is Tina Hughes from teenahughesonlinedotcom. Let's check out today's question. How do I use video marketing to boost traffic to my website? Oh, this is an excellent question from Jeremy in the UK. Let's look at some simple ways to get you started today. Now, probably the first thing you'll ask is, how long will it take to bring traffic to my website? And I have to tell you, the more effort you put in, the more results you'll see and web visitors will increase. So, spend at least 1 hour a week doing one or more tasks that I recommend in this video. Use the search engine predictive text to find juicy keyword phrases that are 3 to 5 words long, which you can use. So, for example, you'd type something into the search box and then predictive text will appear of what other people have typed before. So they're your good keywords. Use these keyword phrases as questions and name your videos using the questions. So you can use these keyword phrases in descriptions, tags, transcripts, in fact everywhere related to your video. Then use the videos to grab attention and connect with potential customers. Everyone loves a video. Start by making 1-minute videos answering one question at a time. This works really, really well. So then post the videos on YouTube and in playlists, other video sites, social media and your website. And remember, the more videos you have online, the more people can find answers to their questions. My next tip is publish a press release once or twice a month to boost your credibility online. A lot of people don't like them, but I love them. So you'd write about each video, discuss the tips about how you help people overcome a problem. If you can write one per week linking to one video page on your website, this will be even better. You'll be creating a professional online reputation as the go-to person in your field, which will be fantastic. So think of this, if you do one small task a week, then you'll be increasing your chances of being found online. But if you do one small task per day, you'll be beating your competitors online in no time at all. That sounds much better to me. For more details on how video marketing can definitely help your website, pop over to my website today. Read the blog post, which has more information to help you get started with the tips I've just mentioned. I do hope you've liked these tips. Sign up today to get them delivered right to your inbox. See you soon. It's cheerio from me, Tina Hughes from teenahughesonlinedotcom. Bye-bye. Before I forget, I've got a free course online for how to kickstart your YouTube channel. Would you like to see that? Pop over to teenahughesonlinedotcom/YT Kickstart. That's YT Kickstart. If you enjoyed this, please do go ahead and click that subscribe button and the little bell icon. Ciao, ciao for now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.